All right, morning everyone. I think we are online. Okay, welcome back, traders, to the weekly analysis that I have for forex, for commodity. Basically, those things that I felt or I feel that there is opportunity for us to trade. Okay, so yeah, without further ado, let's continue on this analysis. So as usual, we will go through the forex factories this economic calendar. So take a look at what is coming out for the week of I think 22, and yeah, see what are the news that's coming out. So I took a glance at the calendar just now. I don't think there's too much of a news. I mean, there's not much of a high impact news. Quite a quiet week, relatively similar to what we had this week. Okay, so right now, as you can see from the Forex Factory, this calendar, maybe just refresh a bit. Okay, this is yeah. Okay, so Monday wise, early morning, 8 a.m. Singapore time, there is a BOJ. I mean, the BOJ governor is going to speak for Japanese yen. So maybe he will be talking about intervention or stuff like that. I mean, I don't know, or in something related to the interest rate. But yeah, let's see what he is going to take. I mean, just keep in mind this is going to happen, and then yeah, if you do trade the yen, then of course, yeah, this is important for the yen. Okay, so other than that, for Monday wise, I think yeah, two of the big players of the forex market is on holiday, so the liquidity might be thin, and yeah, volatility might be I mean irregular volatility could be there. Okay, so yeah, for Monday, maybe just keep a lookout what are the opportunities are there, and I mean, yeah, just be extra careful for a Monday. Okay, so other than this, Tuesday, Wednesday, as you can see, not much of a news except the GDP from the US side, and then yeah, maybe the CPI from the German side, the preliminary data. Okay, so yeah, that's mostly about that. Okay, so coming back to the chart. So the chart wise, you can see from this is we are looking at the US dollar index. So for those who are new, basically for the start, I will actually go on to discuss about the US dollar. Of course, as and when also I will be talking about the analysis of the week, and also revisiting some of the trade that I've done last week, or rather this week. Okay, so yeah, this week actually I took some trade on. I mean, this week hasn't been a fast week. Okay, so I think I did mention about the Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin, I think. Yeah, Bitcoin, I think, to the group, and then yeah, it is actually breaking out from this um from this trend of this daily. So you can see that it actually has broke out. Right now it's actually more or less on a uptrend on the 4 hourly as well. And then yep, so for the 1 hourly, okay, so right now this consolidation could break, and if it were to break higher, then of course it will continue this trend upwards from here on. Okay, so I mean, by buyers for the Bitcoin, yeah, you can go down to a lower time frame and then look for opportunities to go on long. And I think today the market for Bitcoin is still open. Yeah, if you, but for weekend, I do think that the volatility is not there. So yeah, I mean, usually I don't trade on the I mean, yeah, on the weekends. So last week wise, there is actually a breakout over here, and yeah, I was actually waiting for the setup for Bitcoin, but I think it was 12 a.m. Yeah, 12 a.m. And then I was already asleep, and then I missed it out on this long. Okay, this breakout momentum trade. Okay, so that's on Bitcoin, but nevertheless, yeah, just keep a lookout, and I think there's still upside for this Bitcoin to come. Okay, so this is a decent pullback for to look for long. If you have missed this opportunity to long, then probably you can actually wait for another opportunity to trade the trend upwards. Okay, so that's on the Bitcoin. And then last week I did trade on the dollar yen. So the dollar yen, I took it long, I think over here. So this was the long I took. Reason being, eh, oops, wrong. Wanted to have this instead. Okay, line, yeah. So this was the head and shoulder. Basically, this was the breakout. I took a long, and then I think I took some out of here. Then I trailed my stop loss, and then yeah, I think got hit over here, and yeah, after that it's just history. Although it went up later subsequently, it was quite a slow grind upwards as well. Okay, so this is on the dollar yen. Although I'm actually what I call that, bias on the dollar to be weakened. But last week I did mention that there could be some retracement on this dollar. Okay, so reason being is that if you were to go on to the higher time frame, you can see that it actually bounced off from this trend line over here on the daily time frame, and then over here this was also the last inflection zone. Yeah, so this over here, so if you can see, I just extend it over here, and yeah, this is the area that there was a bounce, and then after which for the whole, almost for the whole of last week, it has been grinding up a little, not too much, but yeah. Anyway, coming back to the USD, I think over here it is showing sign of rejection, and it might be forming double top. I'm not sure, or whatnot, but my bias is, I mean, the same. The bias is on the downside. So let's see how it actually play out for next week. Maybe it will be grinding over here for next week, because there isn't much of a news catalyst for it to move. But yeah, anyway, bias is too short. So if it retraces, maybe going down to lower time frame, you can go and look for the shorting opportunity. So one more trade that I did was I mean, I did a couple of them, but I think the one that I remember sharing is also on the New Zealand dollar. Sorry, not New Zealand dollar. I mean Aussie's New Zealand dollar. Okay, so Aussie's New Zealand dollar wise, from the chart you can see that on the 4 hourly, it has already sort of like turn in terms of the trend. Yep, this is the, then you will have lower low, then lower high, then lower low. I mean, sorry, lower high over here. So after the New Zealand rate, I think I think they just remain the I mean, their interest rate remain the same, and there isn't any surprises or whatnot. But anyway, the price action is what I am looking for. So the price actually came down, and then it came down. So it's breaking this structure again. So going down to the lower time frame, you can see that there is actually pullback, which is good for us to actually. It came back nicely to this level, where this is the place where you can take a shot, where I took a shot as well. So after which, this was quite a nice trend as compared to the other trade. I think, like the dollar yen. Also, I think long on the sing dollar sing. Where is it? Yeah, dollar sing is here. Okay, so the dollar sing isn't too nice a trade. Okay, so dollar saying the breakout, I think I long somewhere here. Yeah, long somewhere here. It came up, and then it pulled back all the way below this previous low. I think my loss, I mean my stop loss was somewhere here. So yeah, and then my indicator actually show that it could actually come down lower. So I actually got out over here. Okay, so yeah, anyway, it went back up again. So the grind is, I mean, this trade wasn't that nice as compared to the Aussies New Zealand. Okay, so moving forward to the week of 22, and I am actually looking at, like I mentioned, dollar to weaken. So if the dollar were to weaken, then of course I'm looking at currency pair, I mean the majors like the euro dollar and also the pound dollar. Okay, so pound dollar, it seems stronger. I mean, in terms of the currency pound, it seems stronger as compared to the euro. So yeah, probably will go on. I mean, if there's pullback, then probably I will go on long on the pound dollar as compared to the, I mean, I'll be a bit more biased to go on long for the pound dollar instead of the euro dollar. Aussie dollar okay as well. Then New Zealand dollar also, yeah, you can, but it is pretty much in this I mean in this range. Yeah. So if you still have bias on the dollar to weaken, then yeah, probably you can go on long on the support area. Okay, so the other one that I'm looking at, okay, so this actually, it is not my the A trade, but then it seems like it has already flipped to more on the upside bias. I mean, it's still a bit on defense. So yeah, this could be I mean, if it were to pull back a little, and then yeah, it could be a good opportunity for you to go on long for this pound Aussies. Okay, then other than that, currency wise, not too much, but I do see some opportunity in the commodity market. Okay, commodity okay, I mean, for the corn and then the wheat. And why is that so is because if you are looking at this commodity index, right, on the daily time frame, you can see that it is actually bottoming out over here. So yeah, just to highlight the area, you can see that it's bottoming out. And then if you were to take a look at this, it is actually breaking out from this flag, blue flag over here. Okay, so this the blue flag broke out, you form a new high over here. And then yep, this is the pullback, and I think there it should have more upside for the commodity after this pullback. Okay, so this is, yeah, I mean, this is a little bit similar to what I've shared with you all just now on the this Bitcoin. Okay, I mean, Bitcoin, yeah, it's actually not in this ETF, but anyway, the trend, it looks similar. Came down, break up, then pull back, and then coming back up. Okay, so yeah, you can take a look at the wheat and the corn, and yeah, it's on a nice uptrend over here. So yeah, this is a nice uptrend, and then it's pulling back, and right now you can see it starts to curve back upwards. Okay, so this is on the corn, and also this is on the wheat. Okay, so two of them. And then for the metal, precious metal wise, maybe not so much. Yeah, maybe I would be more focused on the corn and the wheat instead than the silver and the, what you call it, gold. Okay, so gold, it seems like it is weakening quite a little, especially after a drop of 5%. It's almost about a 5% drop from here. Yeah, last week since Monday, it has been, yeah, it was consolidating. I think I took a long after the second bounce, but it didn't go anywhere higher. So yeah, anyway, after which it seems like it is going to fall through over here, so I didn't go on any short as well. But yeah, anyway, it came down 5%. So yeah, we need to see whether it is going to hold up over here. So this is the area that you can keep a lookout on. Okay, so but then yeah, if it were to hold over here, then probably you can see silver inching up as well. Okay, so yeah, if I were to go on long, maybe I will more be focused on silver instead of gold. All right, so yep, silver instead. Then you can see it might be consolidating over here and stuff like that. Okay, so this could have some upside for a rebound. Okay, so that is all from my end, and yep, hopefully you all learn something from the analysis, or you all find it useful for yourself. Okay, then see you all next week. Bye bye.